Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making ham and green bean soup. Alright, I'm starting out in my low pressure cooker, but you can do this in a regular pot. I'm pretty much doing this as a regular pot, and I have this preheating. I'm going to start out here with a pound of diced up ham, or cubed ham. And I know it's spring, and a lot of places it's hot, and you're saying, well, I really don't want to warm up the stove, but this isn't going to warm up your kitchen too much. And today we had a good rain here in Pennsylvania. It really got chilly. I had a juicing the ham in there too. Now I have 1 onion, 2 stalks of celery, and 4 red skin potatoes with the skin on that are diced up and cut up. They're going in. You guys, you're going to see a delicious homemade soup. Really isn't that hard at all. Now I have 2 cans of green beans. These are French cut because that's all I have. These are 14.5 ounces. They're going in juice and all. You could also use regular canned green beans if you like. And I'm going to add in some water. This is a 2-cup measuring cup. Alright, I added in 7 cups of water. I'm going to give that a stir. And I'm going to show you how we're going to get that good delicious ham seasoning. You know, I think I'm going to add another cup of water to make it 8 cups. Now you could boil ham hocks if you like and go through all that trouble. I'm going to show you a shortcut, and it's just as delicious. Get rid of my soup cans. I'm using this ham base from Goya. You can get this in your ethnic food department, and it comes in little packs. I'm going to start by adding about 4 packs because I know it's going to take at least 4 packs for this amount of liquid to get that good ham flavor. And I'm not adding in salt yet because the ham seasoning has salt in it, and we don't want to over salt our soup. And I'm going to turn this up on high to get this soup heated up quick. And me and my son Zach will eat this. The rest of the family won't eat this, but I have my great nephew was selling those those Little Caesar pizza kits for school for a fundraiser, and we bought some of them. So I'm going to make 2 of those Little Caesar pizzas for the family. Alright, I'm going to try that after those 4 packs. I think I'm going to need more, but it's better to go a little light and add 2. Yeah, I'm going to add in 2 more. Starting to get that good ham flavor, but that's just not enough. And this ham base or ham seasoning really isn't that expensive. It's just under $3 for like, I think you get like 6 or 8 packs in there. So you get like 2 recipes out of it. Alright, let me taste that. And I'm going to add in 2 more. I have to get 2 more. Alright, I'm going to add in 2 more. So this will be a total of 8. And this ham base isn't real salty, guys, so don't worry about that. It has more of a smoked ham flavor than saltiness. It's just I want to hold off on the salt so we get this all in. Alright, let me give that a taste. I'm sure this will be fine. Yeah, that's good there. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. Because as this cooks, the vegetables will absorb some of the salt, but the flavors will develop, and we don't want it to be over salty. Yeah, that's tasting good right there. Alright, now I'm going to add in some celery seed. And even though I put celery in there, I'm going to go for about a teaspoon. Celery seed gives it a really good celery flavor that you just can't get from celery alone. And celery seed is inexpensive, so I suggest if you don't have it, pick some up and try it, because it really does taste good in your food. You like celery. That's really good right there. I'm going to put my lid on here. Like I said, this is a low pressure cooker, but if you had a regular pot, just put a lid on it. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and I'm going to reduce my heat down to a gentle simmer and let that simmer for about a half hour. Alright, this is done, guys. It actually only took 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add some parsley in here. And the reason I added in last of all is it might pressure cook up to the top of the lid. If you do this in a regular pot with a regular lid, you could add that in the beginning. Alright, our soup's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plain soup we got. Alright, let me get in there and give that a try. See, the potatoes are nice and tender. They're not mushy though, so that's good. Really delicious. You pick up that ham flavor from the ham that cooked it in, the ham seasoning. Ham's tender. Our onions and celery are cooked down so they're not crunchy. You see the green beans still have their texture. They're not mush. Guys, that's really delicious and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it. Ham and green bean soup. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.